Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new update in Fish It. So the massive new update is finally here on Fish It, and here I'm going to explore the brand new island, hunting for hidden secret areas and seeing what new fish on the island. As you guys can see here, I'm heading to the Pirate Cove. This is the new island in Fish It. And let me show you what inside the islands. So once you're in the Fisherman Island, you can just drive with your boat and go to the right until you arrive in the Pirate Cove. So this is what the island's called. And let's just go in here until you see the dock. Okay, this one's right here. So we've arrived in the new island. You can just walk in here. So once you arrive, you'll see there's this navigator where you can spawn a boat, and on the left in here you'll see like some houses, and there's also this musician NPC, and this one is the merchant where you can sell the fish, and this one is the fishmonger. I don't know what the function of this, maybe it's related to the event, as you guys can see. So let's just skip for now and see. So there's also a fishing spot inside the islands, as you guys can see in here. There are some players fishing there, and then there is this secret areas. This one, as you guys can see, it is blocked with rocks. So what you need to do to open it, you can just ask or talk to the carpenter. In here, as you guys can see, you need to find stick of TNT around the island to clear the way so you can go inside. So you can just complete the quest first to enter the secret areas. And if you go in here, there's also this rusty platoon. You can talk to Gigi to view the shop. As you guys can see, there are some new items that you can buy with the new currency. And there's also this pirate event. There's a daily quest that you can finish in here to claim the prizes, and also got the new currency called doubloons. So that's the new islands in Fish It. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.